Are you a home builder looking to increase your local presence and attract more clients? Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's digital world, having a solid local SEO strategy is crucial for any business, especially for those in the home building industry. In this video, we will delve into the world of local SEO for home builders. You will learn what local SEO is, why it is crucial for your business, and how to implement it effectively to boost your online presence and ultimately your client base. So first of all, let's start with what is local SEO. SEO is the process of optimizing your website and online content to rank higher in search engine results. The primary goal is to increase your website's visibility to potential customers searching for relevant products or services. SEO is a broad field, but local SEO narrows the focus to target local audiences. Now the question is, why is it important for home builders? As a home builder, you want to reach potential clients in your specific area. Local SEO allows you to target these potential clients and increase your chance of being found by optimizing your website and online listings for your local area. This not only helps potential clients find you, but it also increases the chances of them choosing your services over your competitors. Now let's talk about how to implement local SEO for your home building business. Implementing local SEO for your home building business involves several key steps to ensure your business appears prominently in local search results, attracting potential customers in your area. Here's a step-by-step guide. Firstly, optimize your Google My Business or GMB listing. You can start by ensuring complete and accurate information, including your business name, address, phone numbers, and hours of operation. You should add high quality photos, use relevant keywords in your description, and actively collect and respond to reviews. Secondly is use local keywords. Conduct keyword research to identify local keywords relevant to home building, such as home builders in Utah. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your website's title tags, meta tags, headers, and the content on your web page. Third is optimize for mobile. Ensure your website is mobile friendly with a responsive design that adapts to all screen sizes. You should improve loading speeds and simplify navigation for an intuitive user experience. A mobile optimized site enhances local SEO as search engines prioritize mobile friendly websites, attracting more potential clients from local searches. Get listed in local directories. Ensure your home building business is listed in local online directories such as Yelp, Houzz, and Angie's List. Consistent and accurate listings, including NAP, that is name, address, phone number, enhance your local SEO, improve visibility, and build credibility among potential clients searching for home builders in your area. And then you should encourage customer reviews. Actively request reviews from satisfied customers on platforms like Google My Business, Yelp, and Houzz. Positive reviews enhance your local SEO, build trust with potential clients, and improve your online reputation. You should respond promptly and professionally to all reviews, showing that you value customer feedback as well as engagement. Then comes the part of local content marketing. Create content tailored to your local audience. Write blog posts about regional home building trends, showcase local projects, and share success stories. Engage with your community by highlighting local events and partnerships. This approach not only attracts local clients but also boosts your search engine rankings for local queries. Then comes the part of leveraging social media. Leverage social media to engage with your local community, share project updates, and participate in discussions. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to showcase your expertise in home building, attract potential clients, and strengthen your local SEO. Then you should also build local backlinks. Building local backlinks is crucial for local SEO success. Partner with local businesses, sponsor community events, and contribute guest posts to local blogs. These strategies not only improve your website's authority but also enhance visibility in local search results. Implementing local SEO strategies may require time and effort. The benefits are well worth it. As you climb the local search rankings and build a strong online reputation, you'll find that your home building business gains the visibility and recognition it deserves, ultimately leading to increased client inquiries and, of course, at the end of the day, more growth. So start today and watch your business thrive through the power of local SEO. Now let's discuss a real life example to help you understand better. With the expert guidance of Softtrix, a Denver-based home builder, ABC Homes, optimized their local SEO strategy. By focusing on Google My Business and local directory listings, ABC Homes achieved remarkable results. A 40% increase in website traffic and a 30% rise in qualified leads within just 3 months. Softtrix' tailored approach and strategic insights played a pivotal role in boosting ABC Homes' online visibility and customer engagement in the competitive local market. If you consider Softtrix for your local SEO services, we offer comprehensive SEO packages tailored for the US, UK, and Australian market with proven experience and a client-centric approach. Partnering with Softtrix means assessing cutting-edge strategies, transparent communication, and dedicated support, ensuring your website and your clients' online success and business growth. It's important to note that businesses that invest in local SEO services see a significant increase in website traffic and conversions. Their results speak volumes of success. And with affordable SEO services, your business can achieve these results without breaking the bank. In today's digital age, having a strong local SEO strategy is crucial for home builders to attract potential clients in their local area. By following these tips and implementing them into your marketing strategy, you can improve your local search rankings and stand out from your competitors. Thank you so much for watching our video on local SEO for home builders. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Would appreciate if you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.